Hi, hello, welcome to all. This is Bhasker. We are discussing 5th chapter quadratic equations from 10th class mathematics.
Let's discuss the next problem from exercise 5.3, that is 5th problem. The 5th problem is given as, in a class test, the sum of Moulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So here in this problem, we are given by the sum of Moulika's marks in mathematics and English, and which is given as 30. So here this 30 is the sum of the marks of Moulika in the subjects mathematics and English. So here the actual marks in mathematics and English is not given, but the total marks of these 2 subjects is given as 30. And one more information we have here, that is, if she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, then if we do product of those 2 marks, then we get 210. So here what we have to do, whatever the actual marks that Moulika got in mathematics, for that marks we have to add 2 more, and we need to reduce 3 marks from English subject. So then if we find the product of these 2 marks, then we get 210. So these are the 2 informations that we have, and here we need to find what are her exact marks in the 2 subjects, mathematics and English. So let us find out her exact marks here. Here we don't know what are her exact marks in mathematics and English. So let us assume the marks obtained by Moulika in mathematics with a variable, or we can also assume the marks obtained by Moulika in English also with variables. So here I am going to take the marks of Moulika in mathematics as x. So here I am assuming the marks that are obtained by Moulika in mathematics as x. So now can we say the marks obtained by Moulika in English? So here we have the total marks, that is 30. This is the sum of the marks of Moulika in mathematics and English, and we assumed the marks in mathematics as x. So from this total, if we subtract the mathematics marks, then we get the marks obtained by Moulika in English. So to get the marks obtained by Moulika in English, so to get that we have to subtract from total marks the marks obtained by Moulika in maths, that is x. So now 30 minus x is her English score and x is her maths score. So now we have individual subject scores. And next, what is given in the problem? If she got 2 marks more in mathematics, so that means whatever the actual marks that she got, we need to increase these marks by 2. That means we have to add 2 to this actual marks. So let us increase 2 marks in mathematics. If she got 2 marks more in maths, then her new score or new marks in maths. So for her actual marks, we have to add 2 marks. So we get x plus 2 marks as her new score in mathematics. And next what we have? 3 marks less in English. So if she got 3 marks less in English, so what would be her new score in English? We have to do what? We have to subtract 3 from her English marks. So her new score in English would be 30 minus x. From English marks we have to subtract 3. So we can simplify this. By subtracting 3 from 30 we get 27. 27 minus x. 27 minus x is the new score of Moulika in English after reducing 3 marks from her exact score. So now we have the two new scores, that is x plus 2 in maths and 27 minus x in English. And next what we have to do? So here it is given that after increasing 2 marks in mathematics and after reducing 3 marks less, whatever the marks that we get, we have to do the product of those 2 marks. So by multiplying them we get 210. So the product of these two new marks or new scores is given as 210 since by problem. So here we need to multiply these 2 marks. So by multiplying x plus 2 and 27 minus x we get 210. Now we need to simplify this equation. So for that, here on the left hand side we need to multiply these two expressions. So let's multiply these two expressions first. So by multiplying x into 27 we get 27x, and x into minus x we get minus x square, and if we multiply with this second expression with 2 we get 2 into 27 54, and 2 into minus x we get minus 2x, which equals to 210. Now again by simplifying on the left hand side, here 27x and 2x minus 2x are like terms, so we can subtract these two. 27x minus 2x we get 25x, and next we have minus x square and plus 54 equals to 210. Now let's transpose all these terms to the right hand side. Since we have x square term with negative, so if we transpose all these terms to this side we get x square term with positive. Since it has the highest degree, so we have to write the highest degree term with positive. So for that I am transposing all these terms to right hand side. So by transposing all these terms to right hand side we get, here already we have 210, now minus 25x we get here, and minus x square will become plus x square, and plus 54 will become minus 54, and here we left with no term, so we can write 0. Now again simplifying on this right hand side we get, write the first term with highest degree, that is x square, and next that is minus 25x, and next constant term 210 and minus 54. By simplifying these two we get 156. So this can be written as x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. So we get a quadratic equation now, and in order to find the solutions of this quadratic equation we may use factorization method or completing square method or quadratic formula. So use any one of these 3 methods and find the solution for x, so that we get the marks of Moulika in mathematics, and using that we can find the marks in English also. So do it on your own.